Did you know a 14-year-old boy nearly destroyed the Roman Empire by trying to turn everyone into a woman-worshipping religious fanatic? In 218 CE, Elagabalus became the youngest emperor in Roman history after his grandmother staged a bloody palace coup. But this teenager had plans that would shock the ancient world. He forced Romans to worship a Syrian sun god instead of Jupiter, performing explicit religious ceremonies in the streets of Rome. Then things got even stranger. Elagabalus started dressing as a woman, demanding people call him empress instead of emperor. He married multiple men in public ceremonies and offered massive fortunes to any doctor who could surgically transform him into a female. The Romans were horrified, but the final straw came when he tried to make his male lover co-emperor. The Praetorian Guards had enough. At just 18 years old, they assassinated him in his palace. His name was erased from every official record. 4 years of madness that nearly toppled an empire.